Oh, I've been waiting to get into this. My Sansui SolidState 8. Let's get into it. The screws are loose, so somebody's been in the damn thing. Every screw in these things are loose. Well, except for this one. This one is loose. So maybe someone's on the pin here. I guess not. This side's loose. Oh, but this side's loose, so maybe somebody has been in here. I guess somebody's been in this. Very nice wood construction. Put that there. Holy fuck! Those are big motherfuckers. Damn! It's not tight. I just put a little pressure. There it goes. So this needs to be tightened. It's loose. That's simple enough, I suppose. God damn. Fuck, man, I swear they don't make things this heavy anymore. That would be for good reason. Oh. It's also got really old metal dome transistors. Let me tackle this first here. Somehow. I need to get this out. I do gotta say, this is a work of art here. First off, we got these giant honking capacitors here. Those have gotta be the biggest caps I've seen. Also, we got plug-in socketed stuff. Here's the tuner. 2-gang. I'm now just realizing why Sansui put their name under here. It's because these are transistor heat sinks. That's what that is. It's a transistor heat sink. And then right here, if this camera could focus worth a damn, that'd be very nice. And over here is the problem right here. This is loose. When I press it in just a little bit, there's enough tension to where it doesn't slip anymore. So I gotta tighten this screw. This is a dumb design, honestly. This is a dumb design. It's just, I don't know why they have it like that, but it's stupid. I think these are left and right cards for each channel, probably. I'm gonna have to, I'm probably gonna recap these. There's only just 2 capacitors in these boards, and well, I could recap that. I might fix the low output of the right channel is muffled than the left channel. And that's probably something to do with the capacitors, if these boards too. I think this is for the radio though. And this is a built-in demodulator, the Sansui multiplex. This is the Sansui multiplex. This is the Sansui multiplex demodulator. Stereo switch level adjust. These are like test points. Or if I had a scope, I would be putting them on there and it would say 97 kilohertz, 71 kilohertz. Separation adjust. I'm not messing with none of it. I think I'm going to recap it. It's just 2 capacitors right here. I'm also going to change these too. These are known from going bad. These purple plastic capacitors, I've seen these in transistor radios go bad. These I'm going to change as well. These purple dome capacitors, yeah, I'm going to change those. Those are known for going bad, and there's only 2 of them in here. What brand of capacitor did they use on this? Chemicon? What are these? Chemicons? Yeah, Chemicon. They're Chemicons. Well, these might be fine, because the reverb is as old as this, and it did work just fine. So, yeah, I'm gonna replace these 2 though. Flathead for the win. And now this should just come off. It's a solid piece of fucking metal. And now these will unplug. Just like that. Very nice. Now I can get to this and adjust that, but here's this board. Put that over there. Oh yeah. Okay. We're gonna be recapping this. There we go. I think these capacitors are leaking. This is leaking, and they're not even that old. Well, I guess this is no. All these are no good. I'll toast them again. ESR 1.3, 1 UF, 50 volt. Well in spec. Good enough. I'm gonna put that back in. You can go back in. You are fine. I'm gonna check this 10 UF and see what its state is. It might be bad or it might be good, I don't know, but to eliminate any possible problems, I'm gonna check it. Looks like it's been corroding. Damn it. 0.50. This card put back in here and place. Excellent. I'm gonna get this bottom cover put back on now. Okay, let's see if it fires up.
Window coverings and motorization solutions, but Dompierre offers so much more. Our full-service interior design services go beyond just concepts. We provide comprehensive guidance, from initial space planning and color consultations to offering extensive lines of designer furniture, area rugs, wallpaper, and lighting. Experience the Dompierre difference. Meet with our designers. Schedule a complimentary consultation today. Dompierre Window Treatments and Interiors.
Alright, well, this is back on the workbench. These controls all need to be cleaned. I've started fiddling with them, and I thought I lost the right channel of my stereo, and evidently I didn't, because when I press these buttons in, I got my channel back, so these switches all need to be cleaned. So let's get to it. Being careful not to fuck up this veneer. It's more than it already is. So. I worked on this like sometime I'm trying to remember. I worked on this sometime in I think it was March. I took this thing apart to fix the tuning string, and the tuning string is back to frickin' slipping again. So whatever I did not fucking work. Slipping again. If I add a little pressure, it'll go back to it. With these stereos, this is becoming a problem with these, is this post here gets loose and it'll slip. So I was trying to listen to my radio yesterday, and just slips. Yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, a little bit of attention to that. I need to tighten that up. So let's change out that bulb. But this out. This right channel card out. Each of these are designated with right and left channels. Take that out. Pull out the card. Sometimes these transistors go bad in them. One of these. It's usually not the metal dome ones. So, yeah. But as far as I know, that's fine. So, leave it be. Now this needs to get tightened again. Now, I'm gonna go all out with it, tighten it more. Get yourself a little stubby screwdriver here. Just like that. Yeah. Just screw it in. I think that's good. Let's see. Right. Spring steel, it's not gonna hurt it, really. It's a whole lot better. Precise. Honestly, this is just a bad design. It really is a bad design. That's nice. I wonder if it's kind of loose. That's not loose. That is tight. What I don't want to do is frickin' have to restring this. This is going to be a nightmare if I have to restring this. I have this spring steel with this pulley that keeps the tension on the tuner, and what happens is this becomes loose, stupidly enough. So you just want to get yourself a little stubby screwdriver and start screwing away until you have enough tension to where, well, that fucker ain't going nowhere. I think that's our tension right there. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. To access all these switches, I gotta take out the knobs. And these two screws up here. Screws of the Sansui. That screw comes off. This screw comes off. I swear I just hope that's all of it. I gotta take nice to make your own fucking tool. Okay, so here I am struggling to get this panel off, and I've just figured it out. You see these? Look at this shit. It's literally a hidden fucking screw. I have never ever seen anything like this. This is ridiculous. And just take this off, and it should slowly unscrew. And now the panel should come off. And there it is. That's off. Alright. Good. Alright, that looks like it's a little concerning. There. That's fine. Well, we're in. To get the Sansui cleaned, all these switches cleaned, I need to pull off all these plastic pieces here and take off these gaskets so I can get into these damn switches and I'm thinking this is how I can do it. that's done. Let's get our little protective rubber piece back on there. There we go. And let's get our button back. Reverse. One of you is reverse. Muting goes here. Oh. Monitor 1. Let's see. Take monitor 2. Alright, that looks good. I mean, these are the only good stations here. The rest of these stations suck, so I want these illuminated. I need to replace the bulbs, though, in general, and the bulb and the dial pointer, but nothing I can do about it for now. But these switches are all cleaned. All of them are cleaned. I'm putting this face panel back on. Oh, gotta take out all these knobs. There. And now that goes back on. Oh, we're getting AC, but let's see if we're getting DC. Good, no DC. There's no DC on that one. That's the left speaker. How about the right speaker? Nothing on that one either. Nothing on that one either. Getting AC. Okay. Good. How about System B? .7 millivolts. Maybe if I combine them. Let's see. There we are. 0 millivolts on that. That's excellent. You can literally connect 4, 5, 6 sets of speakers on this. You connect freaking 6 sets of speakers onto this thing. It's amazing. AC. AC is good. Little bit of, not much millivolts. If there's like a volt of DC I have to not use this. But, I don't know. We'll see. I don't know how to activate this one. Let's see. Okay, let's see. That's good. Low DC. Alright, well, excellent. These are working. We don't have DC on our speakers, so that's good.
I used to be the one. I used to be your getaway dreamer. I couldn't get enough, thinking that we would last forever. Don't know what you're thinking of, slipping further out of reach, to the edge of town we could go, away from the world to see. You were trying to set yourself free. I used to be the one. I used to be your place to land under the shadow.